So in this video I'm going to teach you how to plot traverse with a coordinate using Sw-DTM in Autocad and contouring of the given traverse. So for this we need 5 sets of data, that is easting, northing, elevation and the remarks of the station. So with this data I'm going to plot the traverse first. So select the station's coordinates and so open Autocad and make sure you open Sw-DTM after Autocad is opened, else it will show error as I have discussed already. So now what we do is, after the Sw-DTM is opened, we go to points, import points from Excel and import, click on the import point. Okay, so the data is something like this. Now what we do is plot or join all these station using polyline option. One point is the TBM, so I didn't connect it to the traverse. So this is the traverse formed with the given data. Now the point has its RL and the remarks, and now for contouring, this is the basic step for the construction of traverse using Sw-DTM using coordinates. Now you can insert the minor station respectively. For this, let me select these minor stations data and we see the stations have been plotted. Similarly, the next one. So finally the error with Autocad. This is some problem you will experience with this Sw-DTM, but nothing to worry about. So after importing points, again we join the stations so this is the complete traversing. Now for detailing we will insert the coordinates. So the detailings are inserted. So thoroughly you will go doing all this. Import points. So after inserting all the data, you will get something like this. For contouring, what I do is, firstly I add a boundary, and this can be done in random selection way up to which point you have taken the detailing. Then I process the point at this option. Okay, you get okay, and then in contour go to draw quick contour or round contour. If you want round contour, then click round contour, else I will prefer round contour. After this you will get a window like this. Contour interval, I will put 1, measure contour 5, minimum distance, rounding factor I will go for 10 and draw. So contours like this is obtained, which is the required type of contour for this terrain.